Good morning, students. It's our next topic of chapter number 2, Right to Freedom, from article number 19 to article number 22. The Constitution of India contains the right to freedom given in article number 19, 20, 21, 21A, and 22 in these rights, and with the view of guaranteeing the individual rights that were considered vital by the framers of the constitution. It is a cluster of four main laws. The right to freedom in the article 19 guarantees the following six freedoms. All the people have the right to go anywhere in their country. Related that six: right to assemble the peaceful, frame the associations, move here and there in the Indian territory, reside and settle in any part of India, profess any type of profession, practice business, trade, etc. So the first article 19A, freedom of speech and expression. In this article, the state can impose the reasonable restrictions in the interest of the sovereignty and the integrity of the India, the security of the state, friendly relation with the foreign states, public order, decency or the morality, or in relation to contempt of court, defamation, uh, mm, or we can say that we have a clear freedom to express our views and our opinion, but in the above restrictions means we are not free to speak, to give a speech which is harmful for our society, create controversy in the society, and create the miserable conditions in between the communities or anyone else self respect. Next freedom is freedom to assemble peacefully. Article number 19b. We have freedom, or we have a right to assemble peacefully. We organize any type of meeting, we campaign for any issue, but for the peaceful but for the peaceful manner, or for the uh, growth of the society and development of the society. We can frame any type of or we can introduce any type of assembly without arms, on which the state can impose the reasonable restrictions in the interest of the public order and the sovereignty and the integrity of the nation. The next one is to fame. Article number 19c, freedom to form the association or the unions or the cooperative societies on which the state can impose the reasonable restrictions in the interest of the public order, mortality, and the sovereignty and the integrity of the India. Sorry. Next is article number 19d, freedom to move here and there within the Indian territory. Citizens have the freedom to move freely throughout the India, although the reasonable restrictions can be imposed on this right in the public interest. For example, to control an epidemic, restrictions on the movement and travel can be imposed. Just like now in these days we are facing, because of the COVID-19, the whole India face the situation of lockdown, just like this. The next is article number 19e, reside and settle in any part of India. It means freedom to reside and settle in any part of India, of the country, subject to reasonable restrictions by the state in the interest of the general public or for the protection of the scheduled tribes, because certain safeguards as are essential here to seem to be justified to protect the indigenous and the tribal people, for tribal people, or from the exploitation. Before 6th of August 2019, the article number 370 restricted citizens from the other Indian states and the Kashmiri women who marry a man from the other state from purchasing land and the property in GNK. But it is no longer applicable in the state of Jammu and Kashmir from 1st of August 2019. The next one is freedom of profession, practice of any type of profession, business, trade. So, freedom according to Article number 19G, freedom to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade, business. We are totally free, but the state may impose the reasonable restrictions in the public's interest affairs or through the status. Then there is no right to carry on a business which is dangerous or immoral. Also, professionals or the technical qualifications may be prescribed for the post, for the any type of post, and for the practicing any type of profession or carrying on any type of trade. The next is article number 20. Respect of conviction means give protection in respect of the conviction for the offenses. Next is article number 21, the most important right of the fundamental rights, or we can say the right to freedom. Right to life and liberty. It gives the right to life and the personal liberty and the right to die with dignity. The next is article number 21A, right to education. It gives free education to all the children of the age of 6 to 12 years. Such it is in such a manner as the state may and by law determine all that provisions of it. The next is protection against the arrest and detention. To make, according to article number 22, it is to make the just society. Okay. The protection against the arrest and detention in the certain cases. Overall, we can say that the constitution can also impose the restrictions on these rights. The government restrict these freedoms in the interest of the independence, sovereign status, and the integrity of the India. In the interest of morality and the public order, the government can also impose few types of restrictions. But after that, however, the right of life and the personal liberty cannot be suspended. The six freedoms are also automatically suspended or have restrictions imposed on them during a state of emergency if there was a situation or the condition of article number 352, 356, and 360. Then these six rights were automatically suspended, but right to life and liberty, it cannot be suspended. The next right, or we can say that a part of the right is right to information, RTI. It is also most important part of the freedom rights. Means through this right, government forcefully manage its accountability towards the citizen, towards the people of the nation. According to this right to information has been given the status of a fundamental right under the article 19.1, under the article 19.1 of the constitution in 2005. Under the article 19.1, under which every citizen has freedom to speech and expression and the right to know how the government works, what roles the government play, what are the functions the government do, and so on.